Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Park level and set the brake because safety matters. Open the glove box and remove its stops. This gives you access behind the glove box panel. Use a flashlight and a rag to clear debris. This prevents dirt from falling into HVAC. Once done, identify the rectangular air filter housing and any retaining clips. You'll need a flathead or Phillips to undo them. Work deliberately. This first step exposes the filter and prevents damage to surrounding plastic. Next, release the housing clips or screws. Keep the fasteners in a safe spot so you don't lose them. Pull the old filter straight out, slowly, so dust and leaves don't drop into the ductwork. Inspect the filter orientation. Note arrow indicating airflow for correct reinstallation. Clean the housing with a vacuum and damp rag. Trapped debris can bypass a new filter and reduce HVAC efficiency. Make sure the new filter matches the size and pleat direction before installing it. Now you insert the replacement filter. Align the airflow arrow toward the cabin and slide it into the slot until it seats neatly. Reinstall the housing cover and fasten the clips or screws. Return the glove box stop so it closes normally. Once finished, start the car and run the blower on high. Listen and smell for unusual noise or odors. If airflow is weak or noisy, double-check filter orientation and that the housing seals fully. Misalignment is the usual culprit and is easily fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.